Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Isaura and you're welcome. If ever you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much and welcome back. So in today's video, I will be doing my eyebrows using a lipstick. So if you're interested, please do watch till the end. So I will start by brushing my eyebrows and making sure that they are straight. I am using a black lipstick for my eyebrows, and to apply the lipstick on my eyebrows I will use a small angled brush. So I will just dab the brush on my lipstick and use it to draw my eyebrow as well as to fill in. As you can see, my eyebrow is not perfect, so I will perfect my eyebrow using the LA Gal Pro Conceal in the shade Fun. So this is the wrong shade for my skin tone. So if ever you have a skin tone like mine, you can buy the LA Gal Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. To clean the upper part of my eyebrow, I am using a BB cream in the shade Salted Caramel, so this acts as my foundation. So now I am blending the concealer using the concealer and the foundation using a brush. Then afterwards I will finish off everything using a beauty blender.